Good morning, good morning. Hopefully y'all can see me. Easy day again today. So I am just gonna go to work, get in this car, get ready for my client that I have this morning. And I have some stuff I need to get done at the salon. Got my assistant coming today. My cousin, woo, she has been helping me get some of my business stuff done, really. Oh man. So I'm actually running late. Not late for my client, but I like to be at the salon early just to get stuff done, but I wasn't able to make myself any coffee. So let me get up out of here because I'm already leaving 20 minutes later than I like to. So I'm gonna get rolling. I'll see y'all at the shop. I'm here. So excited to get started. Let me turn on these lights. Bam. On these lights. I got a weave this morning that I'm gonna be installing this hair here. Look at these highlights, bomb. I wonder if I should do some highlights. But I'm gonna be installing this hair 18 inches with a lace closure this morning. So I need to get things together for my assistant so she can have plenty of things to do. And then I need to get my client together this morning. Let me put you guys up on the stand. So let's get started. Hey y'all, I'm waiting for my client to get here right now, but let me tell you guys, I've been trying to get back on my overnight oats, and this one that I made, amazing. Okay, the music is blasting outside, and I'm kind of let me wait until I can close my door.
Oh wow, holy cow, this was literally this last year. It was actually, there was no difference between.
Right, like this piece is a little shorter, but you can.
No, yeah, but it literally was here.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
That's really cool to
Oh
see.
my God.